Input and output. Although components make up the main computer system, without minimum input and output devices the computer could not interact with humans. Input devices let users provide data to computers for processing. While keyboards and mice are common, natural inputs like speech and touch are increasingly popular. The most common way to enter data into a PC is by keyboard, arranged in a QWERTY layout. Extra keys perform specific functions based on the software. A mouse is an input device that controls a screen pointer using movement. Buttons are used to select items. Optical mice, using light beams, have replaced mechanical ones for better accuracy and less maintenance. Touchpads, replacing mice in laptops, require less space and no separate surface. Users move the cursor by sliding a finger on the pad. This technology paved the way for touch screens. Scanners input text, diagrams, and pictures to computers. OCR software converts scanned text for word processing, while images can be edited in graphics software. Photos in a digital camera do not need to be developed in a dark room. Light hits a sensor, converting it to a digital data stream that can be transferred via cable or wirelessly to a computer. Sound input from a microphone is useful for recording or online calls. They make computer interaction more human-like, accessible to all ages. Output devices let computers communicate results to users, usually visually or audibly. Touch methods are also being explored. A video display unit displays images from a computer. Early VDUs used cathode ray tubes, usually 17-inch or smaller. By 2006, flat panel displays replaced CRTs. Liquid crystals act as tiny shutters in displays, transmitting or blocking light. A backlight behind the LCD shines through, creating red, blue, and green dots for a color image, filtered through the LCD panel. The LED backlight, a newer technology for LCD displays, uses light-emitting diodes instead of fluorescent lamps. LEDs produce white light without mercury, resulting in more efficient screens with brighter images. OLED screens emit their own light and need no backlight, making them thinner and more energy efficient. They offer greater image quality in better black levels, while having shorter lifespans and less brightness. A projector uses light and lenses to project a magnified image onto a screen or wall, creating still or moving images. The image passes through a sealed tube or frame to maintain focus. Projectors use transmissive, LCD, or reflective, DLP, technology. LED projectors use LEDs instead of bulbs, making them more efficient and brighter. A printer is an output device that generates graphics or text on paper. Impact printers use an inked ribbon and hammer or pins. Non-impact printers, like inkjet and laser, are quieter and more common today. Inkjet printers spray tiny ink droplets to form images or characters, which dry instantly. They can use various colors for photorealistic prints and are popular for home use due to their speed and economy. Laser printers use a laser beam to create images on a drum, which attracts toner. The toner transfers to paper and is bonded by a hot roller. Faster than inkjets, they are ideal for printing text and diagrams in offices. 3D printers create 3D objects from digital files by layering material. The main types for plastic parts are stereolithography, selective laser sintering, and fuse deposition modeling. Speakers convert electromagnetic waves into sound waves, producing audio output. Data first needs to be converted using a digital-to-analog converter. Typically, they come in pairs for stereo sound. Headphones, worn in or around the ears, convert audio signals into sound waves. They connect via analog, using a 3.5mm jack, or digital, using a USB or Lightning port, with digital headphones using a digital-to-analog converter for analog output. Input and output devices for mobile devices differ from traditional computers, due to portability and power requirements. Mobile devices use touchscreens, microphones, cameras and a number of sensors for input. And display screens, built-in speakers, and vibration motors for output. Thank you for watching.